Hello and welcome to day 121 of the 1000 Days of No Code Challenge. We have built powerful automations in the past couple of weeks using Zapier, Make, and Public Connect. But what if there are a few integrations in one platform and a few integrations on the other platform, and you want to combine them for your automation needs? Today, we're going next level and building a cross-platform automation between Public Connect and Zapier. In this video, we will explore how do we send data from Public Connect to Zapier, when and why you should use multi-platform automation, building a workflow that leverages the power of two platforms. By the end of this video, you will understand how do you link multiple platforms and create even more powerful automation and without writing a single line of code. Let's get started. Now we are going to look into cross-platform automation. Let's assume that we want to use Zapier for one of the applications, okay, because the integration of that particular application is not available on Public Connect or Make, and we want to use the free plan on Zapier, right, which allows only one trigger and one action, right? So what we can do is actually link all the other steps in Public Connect and just send for the last step to Zapier. Okay, the use case could be multiple, but I just want to show you how do we do this. And for that, let's go to create workflow on Public Connect. Let's call this as cross-platform automation. Now again, trigger could be anything here. It could be a webhook, it could be a form filling, it could be an email that we receive, it could be a new row added in Google Sheets, it could be a Slack message, anything, right? And you could have as many actions as you want, okay? But what we are going to do is, I'm going to show you how do we connect Public Connect to Zapier. You can use the same logic between Public Connect to Make, or Make to Zapier, or Zapier to Make, Zapier to Public Connect, and so on and so forth. Okay, so here we have to make an API call, okay? And let's call this as execute API request. Click on connect. Now let's go to Zapier, click on Zap, and the trigger would be webhooks, right? Trigger event is catch hook. Click on continue, pick off a child key, click on continue, and we have to copy this particular URL that we get. Let's go back to Public Connect. Let's say post. This is the link, and we can add some parameters, right? Again, the parameters can be dynamic, which is coming from the trigger or any other action that you have already set. But for this example, I'm going to create static parameters. Okay, name, let's say Ritesh. I'm going to add one more parameter, and let's call this as email, abcd@quick7.com. You can have any number of key value pairs as parameters. I'm going to save and send test request. Let's head back here. Okay, so we've got this one. You can see the name and email has, okay, so we can continue with that particular thing, and the next step can be followed on Zapier. This could be sending a meeting request on Google Meet, right? You can say action is schedule a meeting, account, we'll select account. I'll click on continue. I'll click on allow. So the account has been set, click on continue. We have to configure this, what is the calendar? So I'll select the calendar. It'll ask us what is the summary, meeting between you and me. This is basically the title. We can add the description if you want. What is the start date and time? Okay, so we can mention this tomorrow 6 p.m., tomorrow 7 p.m. Click on continue and test step. So the event has actually got created. I can show you that. You go to calendar.google.com and you can actually see that the meeting has been scheduled. Meeting between you and me, right? So it all started from Public Connect, right? The trigger could be anything. There could be any number of actions in between. Okay, and then we calling Zapier, and Zapier is doing one of the next steps. Isn't this amazing? And that's how you create a cross-platform automation. You can do this between any of the platforms, Zapier, Make, Public Connect. You can combine them together as well. With this approach, you can mix and match between different automation platforms to get more flexibility, better integrations, and cost-effective solutions. This wraps up our 3 weeks of no code automation journey. But remember, this is just the beginning. There is still so much more that you can automate in your personal and professional journey. If you enjoyed this series, I would like to invite you for our next series. We are going to cover a lot of AI platforms in the next days. So join us in that journey. Let's learn and grow together in this AI wave. That's all from the series. Thank you for watching and joining this journey. I'll see you in the next series, and I'm looking forward for you all to join the upcoming series as well.